Hello everyone, today I will show you how to connect Hollyland Lark M2 to Sony camera. First, take the Lark M2 camera receiver. On the back there is a built-in clip. Attach the receiver to your Sony camera's hot shoe. Make sure it is firmly in place and does not wobble. Next, find the 3.5mm TRS to TRS audio cable. This cable comes in the camera or combo kit. Plug one end of the cable into the output port of the receiver. Then, plug the other end into the microphone input jack of your Sony camera. Make sure it is fully connected. Avoid using the headphone port or any other audio input. After connecting the cable, remove both the transmitters and the receiver from the charging case. The devices will power on automatically and pair with each other. You should see a solid light on the receiver when the connection is successful. If the light is blinking, remove the devices and try again. Now, adjust the camera settings. Open your Sony camera menu and find the audio input options. Set the input level to low or manual. A value between 1 and 5 is recommended. This prevents audio clipping and keeps your recordings clear. Finally, test the microphone by speaking or making a sound. Check the audio levels on your camera to ensure everything is working properly. Make small adjustments to the volume if needed. Thanks for watching.